There was a time when Israelites were deceived. They disobeyed God's commandments and precepts. Jeremiah was sent to bring them back to the truth. But first he feared that he can't accomplish the task. I'm still too young, brave enough. The Lord says, believe me.
Don't be afraid.
I will strengthen you and tell you everything you have to say. I'm still too young, brave enough. The Lord says, believe me.
Don't be afraid.
I will strengthen you and tell you everything you have to say. Again in the time of Elijah the Tishbite, people were misled and thrown other gods instead. Elijah repaired the altar of the living God. The Lord showed himself, and people turned back to him. I'm still too young, brave enough. The Lord says, believe me.
Don't be afraid.
I will strengthen you and tell you everything you have to say. I'm still too young, brave enough. The Lord says, believe me.
Don't be afraid.
I will strengthen you and tell you everything you have to say. Again in our time, people turn from the truth. God's commandment and the times have been changed. The Sabbath of God was replaced by Sunday. What could be done if foundations are destroyed? Don't say you're brave enough. The Lord says one day, man.
Don't be afraid.
The seas may repent, and the men both their doings and their ways. Don't say you're brave enough. The Lord says one day, man.
Don't be afraid.